Hi my loves, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Mal if you're new here, and if you are not new, then thanks so much for joining me again today for a video. We are doing a very fun, exciting video. I'm going to be trying on the entire Amara Georgina Rodriguez collection. For those of you that don't know, Amara is a luxury Arab contact brand. They make monthly and daily contact lenses, and they have quite a selection of colors and styles that are really tailored to a brown eye and looking natural and subtle. Now, Georgina Rodriguez is a model and influencer, and more famously known for being the girlfriend to Cristiano Ronaldo, who is a very famous football player. So this collection features 6 beautiful lenses, all specifically tailored to enhance your natural eye color while providing exceptional comfort. And I'll be trying on the shades Walnut, Modern Gray, Metal Gray, Nespresso, Crocodile Green, and Romantic. I like to purchase my lenses from lens.me, and that's where I got all of these lenses today. So definitely check out lens.me. I'll be including the links for everything in the description bar. And I do have a really juicy discount code for you guys. So if you want to save 10% on your purchase, then go ahead and use the code Mallory at checkout on lens.me and you can save yourself some coins. So as a treat, I actually filmed this with my studio lighting setup, but I also recorded some clips in natural lighting for you guys, so you will see both in this video. And before we get into trying the first pair on, let's get a little closer. I'm just going to show you what my natural eyes look like. This first shade here, Walnut, is a stunning rich deep brown with a bit of a walnut tone around the iris and a rich deep dark limbo ring that's adding some depth and dimension to the eyes. Now this is one of those colors that is perfect for every day. It's perfect for adding just a touch of sparkle or pop to your dark brown eyes. And what I love about Amara lenses is they're very comfortable. You can wear these every day without any discomfort. I really actually quite like the shade in Walnut. I will say I was a little bit on the fence when I first tried them because I thought maybe they're too subtle. But after wearing them and playing around, I realized that they are just perfect for a subtle, undetectable look. No one's gonna know that you're wearing contacts, but it will give you just a little oomph. Okay, this next pair in my eyes is called Nespresso. I love that name. Now this color is definitely a dimensional brown. It does appear to give a bit of an enlarging effect to the eyes, and I'm a bit on the fence with the detailing in this lens. I think for an everyday lens, this wouldn't be my first choice. I do really enjoy it with my makeup and my hair done right now. I think it looks very pretty. The color is gorgeous, but overall the detailing in this lens and the dimension is just not my personal preference. This color actually really reminds me of a shade from Anesthesia called Nucleola. And yes, if you've seen that color, then you know kind of what I mean about like the harshness of the lens and the detailing in it that is just, it's a preference, you know, it's for somebody, but I don't know if it's for me. Let me know what you guys think of this color. Let's try on some gray tones next. Okay, now these I think I love. This is the shade Modern Gray, and I kind of knew that I was going to really fall in love with these because I saw some beautiful artwork with Georgina actually modeling these lenses, and they looked so stunning on her. So I love these for a brown eye because they're not giving that like crazy icy bold gray. These are definitely tailored for someone with a dark eye like myself, and I think if you have eyes that are even darker than mine, these would look so beautiful and stunning on you. I'm seeing a really striking combination of both gray and brown shades, and I feel like it does create that modern, sophisticated look that perfectly complements a dark brown eye. I haven't quite tried a gray like this before, and I think they're my new favorite gray, to be honest, because these are so perfect and subtle. I'm curious to see if I'm gonna like Metal Gray just as much, so let's try those on next. Okay, now these are interesting to say the least. This is Metal Gray, and they definitely have some blue hue to the lens, but from this far, you can't quite see all the detailing. When you guys get in close, you're gonna see a very interesting surprise with these lenses. They have little teeny specks, almost like a sparkle effect throughout the lens. Now, I don't know how I feel about this. Have you guys ever seen anything like this in a contact lens? I personally haven't, and I don't know if I like it. Now, I don't want to get ahead of myself and give you guys my final thoughts. I want to wait till the end to do that. But I will say that this collection is surprising me, that's for sure. I don't know if these are personally my style. I feel like the detailing is just a little bit too harsh and defined for my personal liking, but these definitely are the perfect lens for somebody out there. If you like this style, let me know. I feel like they're fun, but I can't really see myself wearing them on an everyday basis. They do look subtle, but they don't look natural, if that makes sense. We have moved on to the greens, and this pair is called Romantic. Now this has a blend of like greens and blues that's creating a very soft and subtle enhancement to the eyes. It's actually very gorgeous, and this does sound just like the name. I feel like it is giving a very flirty, romantic look to my eyes, so I do really enjoy these as a first impressions. I think these are a very beautiful natural lens that has just the right amount of detailing. It's not overly done, and they're perfect for a subtle pop to a dark brown eye. To me, this lens adds some warmth and some depth to your eyes, which looks really inviting and very beautiful. Now, one thing that Miss Amara is going to do is she's going to give you a large pupil hole. I know not everybody likes a large pupil hole. Personally, for me, I don't find it something that really bothers me. I actually kind of like it because I know that my vision isn't going to be blurred at all. This shade here to me almost looks like it has a bit of like a greenish gray tone in my eyes. It's very, very soft. I think this might be my favorite so far. What do you guys think of this color? I think it's so, so pretty. I really actually quite like the shade in Romantic. And next we're going to try on Crocodile Green. Here we have Crocodile Green. This is actually a very gorgeous shade. I'm seeing a beautiful medley of deep forest greens, some dark browns, and some gray to create such a gorgeous shade in the eyes. And we also have a slight limbo ring with these ones, which is giving a very natural enlarging effect to the eyes. Now, this color is super natural. It's beautifully enhancing to a dark brown eye. No matter what, these are going to look natural and subtle, and that's what I really like about this color. I also think the detailing is very soft and diffused, and it's not looking overdone or harsh. Let's get into final thoughts and tell you guys some of my favorites that I just tried on with you. So overall, I would say that the Amara collection is ideal for someone who wants a subtle, natural contact lens, and maybe someone who wants something a little different, because there were definitely some shades in here that I've never ever seen before. I really wanted to like this collection a little bit more, and it's not that I don't like it, it's just that the lenses are really different for me. Some of my favorites were the Romantic and the Modern Gray. Those two definitely I will be wearing again. I have some stuff going on this week, and I want to try them out again tomorrow with a different makeup look and see how I feel about them. So let me know what you guys think of this collection. What do you think of these colors, and what do you think of Amara lenses in general? I always purchase my Amara lenses from lens.me, so I will link everything in the description bar below so you can easily find it if you want to shop. And of course, you guys can get a discount code, so use my code Mallory and save yourself 10% off on your purchase. It does really help my channel, and of course I love helping you guys with a discount. Thanks again so much for watching, you guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I will catch you in the next one. Mwah! Bye!
Single on the body, boy. Take on the body, boy.